Okay, question 9 is under sequence and series, and this is arithmetic progression. Okay, arithmetic progression. So the question is saying, given that 7, 11, 15, 19, dash 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 is an arithmetic progression, find the 10th term. Simple. So the nth term of an AP is given by the formula Tn is equals to A plus open bracket n minus 1 close bracket D, where A, so data here, where A is the first term, which is 7, n is the number of terms we're asked to find 10th term, so which is just 10. Then D is the common difference, and it's being calculated by using the formula the second term minus the first term. In other words, the next term divided minus the previous term. So you can use the second term minus the first, third term minus second, fourth term minus third. Simple. So you're going to get the same answer. Okay. So second term is 11. 11 minus 7. If my mind serves me well here, it's 4. Okay, even when you do 15 minus 11 should get a 4, 19 minus 15 should get a 4. That's what it means when we say common difference. It's common. So with this data, let's substitute. N is 10, A is 7, plus A is 7, not N rather. N is 10 minus 1. Common difference is 4. So here you can only solve what is in the bracket. Okay, so 7 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay, so you can just say 9, then 4 outside. Here you can't add because 9 here is in bracket, so you can just multiply. Okay, then just say 9 times what? 9 times 4. Okay, which is 36. So we have 7 plus 36. Okay, 7 plus what? 36. So this is 43. So 10th term is 43. Then the second question is saying, find the sum of the first 12 terms. Simple. So apply the formula. The formula is Sn for sum is equals to n over 2, open bracket, 2a plus, open bracket, n minus 1, close parenthesis, d, then close bracket. This is the formula. And let's substitute. Data here, by the way, n here is 12 according to the question. N is 12. Then A, we also have A here. A is still 7. Then D is just the same, is 4, common difference. So let's substitute this data. So S12 is equals to, N is 12, 12 over 2, open bracket. So 2 times the first term, which is 7, close, okay, plus, open parenthesis, N is 12 minus 1, close bracket, 4. Then we have this. Okay, this is what we're having. So S12 is equals to 2 into 12 is 6. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 12 minus 1 is 11 times 4. Okay, multiplying it with 4. So here we are having 6, open bracket, 14 plus 11 times. So here we can't add because here we're multiplying. First multiply, that's when you're going to add. So this is 44. Okay, then we have 44 plus what? 44 plus 14, we're going to have 58. So 6 times 58, all right? So times 58. Okay, 6 times 58, we are having 6 times this, 6 times 8 is 40, is it 48? 48, so 8 carry 4. 6 times 5 is 30 plus 4, 34. So 348 as the answer. Okay, you bring your answer here. Your answers, the first one was just the T10 is equals to 43. Then S12 is equals to 348. Okay, then you proceed to the next question. Okay.